Magandang araw. Eto na naman po ako. Today we will be talking about how to do schedule posting. So kung wala kang time, kung busy ka, pwede mo may schedule post nang sa ganon magiging consistent ang posting mo sa iyong account. So tara.
Idol, i-open mo lang yung Facebook page mo and then go to the place where you constantly post. Then go to your gallery and grab the content na i-upload mo for scheduling. So, lagyan mo siya ng title. This content is about a tutorial on how to make 4 picture photo of the day. Yeah, I think we posted it few days ago, yung naglagay tayo ng income natin to emphasize the income that we earn for the day. So, ito yun siya, lagyan mo siya ng title, lagyan mo din siya ng hashtag. And then, after that, you click the next button na. Next button, so pupunta na siya dun sa sa ganito na, and then scroll down ka sa baba, idol. Hanapin mo yung scheduled posting and then scheduled post. Ilagay mo kung anong araw mo siya ay ipo-post. So for me, I think I posted this September 26. Yes, so yan, i-set mo yung time. Usually, ang tutorial content ko is around 3 p.m. daily. So, click mo yung save scheduled post. So, yeah, wait until the confirmation will say that it's already been scheduled. And if you want to see kung saan siya, punta ka dito, hanapin mo yung calendar. Usually lumalabas yung calendar dito. If not, kung hindi naman siya lalabas, punta ka dito sa dulo, yan. Yung tools na yan, and search for the calendar. Punta ka sa petsa kung saan the day you will post your content. So, yun, hanapin mo. Ayan, andyan na siya sa baba. So, that's it. Yan, oh, ayan. Yan na siya sa baba. Actually, it's September 26, but probably because of the time zone kaya nagkaganon. So that's it.
At kung nakatulong yon sa'yo, please like and share lalo na sa iyong mga followers na hindi ko pa followers. Sana makatulong din ito sa kanila, lalo na sa mga bagong content creators today. That's it for today. See you again tomorrow. Thank you.